So can you believe that we're driving in a van that was owned by one of the greatest scientific minds of the 20th century? It's like the Batmobile. If Batman was real, and a physicist, and his car wasn't cool.
What was that?
I think it's a tire.
What if it's Bandito shooting at us? What if we get kidnapped? What if we end up in a factory making Bart Simpson pinatas for the rest of our lives?
It's the tire.
Leonard.
What?
I'm getting too old for this crud.
What are you doing?
It's called Lamaze breathing. It helps you push.
Great, he's pushing with his uterus.
There's got to be a smarter way of removing it.
Yeah, this is nothing more than a physics problem.
Right. Archimedes once said, "Give me a lever long enough and a fulcrum on which to place it, and I shall move the world."
Of course. All we need is to find stuff to make a lever big enough to fix this.
Exactly. I'll bet there's something around here that could be a lever.
Let's see, a lever.
Wait, hold on. Let's take this problem one step at a time. First, we need to decide whether we're calling it lever or lever. And the sooner we decide it's lever, the sooner we can roll up our sleeves, not slabs, and get to work.
We're gonna be here forever. I don't think the lever's working.
What makes you say that?
There's gotta be something else we can try.
If this was Star Trek, we could use a phaser to blast it off.
It's too broad of a beam. You need something more precise, like Superman's heat vision.
Ooh, the Green Lantern's ring could make a big green hand that unscrews it.
If you need a green hand, why not just use the Hulk?
Oh, please. The Hulk would never get across the border with that temper.
Guys, excuse me. Not that calling one of the Avengers isn't a perfectly reasonable choice, but we're scientists. Don't you think we can figure this out using actual science?
Yes, we could use science, but it's your bachelor party. Lighten up.
We will percussive shock you.
We will percussive shock you.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place.
I have an eidetic memory. Sometimes it's a curse.
I had no idea tortilla chips are such a good fuel source.
They're basically pure hydrocarbons soaked in fat. Let's hope the lug nut expands.
What if that burning food attracts animals?
We have plenty of food for the animals.
We do?
Yep. 6-foot wiener in a Flash t-shirt.
That's not very nice.
It's a bachelor party. Lighten up.
Oh, what is that awful smell?
It's burning salsa. I'm hoping the acidity and salinity combined with electricity will corrode the lug nut off.
What an innovative solution. Perhaps I don't give your MIT education enough credit.
Yeah, I saw it on Mythbusters.
All right. This rust, combined with the aluminum recovered from the van, is now thermite.
Right. Couple pinches ought to do the trick.
Is that enough to melt the lug nut?
Well, let's start small. We can always add more.
You put up a good fight, lug nut. But you've met your match.